Good afternoon. So I wanted to make a video real quick about something that I found. I had some popping after adding the Rancho quick lift. I did have a little bit of popping in the front end from putting the spacer lift on the top of the truck, but I thought that the popping I had was from the control arms and just the wrong geometry. So when I switched to the quick lift, I thought that would resolve the issue. But it didn't. It actually got worse over time. So I wanted to just call out the thing that I found that was the issue. And it is these contact points right here. I don't know if you can see, but there's a good chunk taken out of the right-hand turn stop and the left-hand turn stop on the passenger side. And if I come around, show you the driver's side, I have a very similar situation. So you can see chunks of aluminum are taken out of the spindle from where the lower control arms bump into them. So with that being said, if you're getting some popping from the front end of the car, but you don't think it can be your CV joints, you've checked that, you've checked all the tightness on all of your bolts, and you're wondering what it is, I would just check for a little bit of wear right there on your spindles and see if that's what it is. Yeah, hope this helps. Hope this guides you towards maybe finding out what's going on with your truck.